In Simulatri, you can use the undo and redo buttons to reverse changes that you've made in the designer, or reapply any changes you may have accidentally undone. When you first load the designer, or if you're loading a design that has had no changes made, the undo and redo buttons will be blank. So let's say you're adding an autoresponder element and making a few changes to your funnel design. Perhaps you might increase the conversion rate on a thank you page. Once you've done that, however, you can use the undo button to actually undo any of these changes. As you can see, you can click the undo button more than once, and each change in the order that it was done will be undone. If you undo too many, you can use the redo button to reapply these changes. The redo button will be greyed out until you have undone some changes. At that point, you can use it to redo those undone changes. Just like the undo button, you can click the redo button multiple times to redo multiple changes. And that's how to use undo and redo in Simulatri.